In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to connect your smart TV to Wi-Fi without a remote. So this is how I did it myself. So the easiest way, in my opinion, is to firstly get an app called Google Home, as you can see. So get an app called Google Home, and when you have the app, you should be taken to this page right here. So now on this page, just click on Home in the bottom left corner and then click on the plus symbol right here. And then you can click on plus device here, as you can see. And then you can see you can search for a device and it should be able to find partner devices here. So if you have a Google TV, it will straight away be able to find it most likely. You can also click on scan QR code and you can scan the QR code in there on your TV. Obviously there's going to be like a QR code. You can scan it and automatically put it into this app. The reason why this app is so cool is because you can see here's my TV now that's connected. I can basically just click on remote here now, so on remote, and I can use this right here as a remote. You can see here I'm basically using my phone as a remote. So if I click on the settings button here and then click on settings, and then I can scroll down and you can see the network and internet. So now I can just connect to whatever Wi-Fi I want to down here, of course, write the password and just connect it like I would with a remote. But this time I'm obviously just using my phone right here. So this is probably the easiest way to do it, to be honest. There is also on some TVs, there's going to be like a button here to click on. So if you click and just hold, I think you have to click and hold, or you have to click, oh yeah, click and hold. And then you have to just go in here until you can see OK, and then click on OK here. Oh, sorry, I think you have to click and hold on OK here. And you can see it also kind of works as a button, but it's just more, yeah, it's not as easy, to be fair, to be able to use that button right there, but it's much easier to just have the Google Home app. But basically that is exactly how to do this.